Can non-technical professionals transition to a PM career? I get this question quite often, and the answer is yes. You don't need a technical work ex or educational background to transition to a PM role. Product management job is more focused on solving a problem and creating an impact for the business. Here are the skills that are required to crack a PM interview and also excel in this role. Number 1. Effective communication, which involves communicating effectively with senior stakeholders as well as product development team. Number 2. Influencing skills, which involves aligning the various stakeholders to the goal that you're trying to chase for the product. Number 3. Problem solving, which involves product sense and critical thinking. Number 4. Data aptitude, to be able to work with numbers and derive insights out of it. Number 5. Business acumen, which involves understanding how your product helps the business and be able to articulate the business impact. Number 6. Basic tech understanding. Even if you don't have a technical degree, you can master the basic tech concepts and be able to deliver on the role. I hope this was helpful. Please share your thoughts in the comments.